Welcome back. I've been really busy doing construction, so I apologize to all of you guys for not a lot of content lately. I have been posting construction videos over at unauthorized.tv for my subscribers, so you can catch me over there if you want to watch the build videos. But I haven't been able to keep this channel up as much as I'd like. But today I got up this morning and I saw I still had these things on the counter. These are Kola nuts. And I have had them for a while now, but have not planted them. And I looked at them and I said, they just need to be planted. So let's plant some Kola nuts. Now, if you are familiar with Coca-Cola, and everybody in the world is, Kola nuts were one of the original flavorings, along with, you guessed it, cocaine, Coca and Cola. Now, unfortunately, neither of those additives are in the stuff. It's just a brew of, caffeine and caramel color and corn syrup or whatever. But originally, this gave it its unique flavor, but it also gave it a high caffeine content. Kola nuts contain both caffeine and theobromine, which you might recognize as also being the stimulant that is in chocolate. So this is a stimulating tree, and it's funny because if you chew one of these guys, in Africa it's considered polite, depending on where you are, to offer a Kola nut to your guest when they arrive. You chew it, and it starts off really kind of bitter and awful, but then as you chew it, after about 5 minutes or so, it starts to sweeten up in your mouth, and it's an interesting sensation. It's like, oh, that doesn't actually taste that bad, but it starts off awful. So I want to put a couple of these trees on my land. Now, they get to be a really, really big tree, but we're going to plant them anyways and try to keep them under control. All right, 4 pots full of soil. I'm just going to put 1 in each. When I have a seed this size, can go a little deeper, so I'm going to go like 1 inch, 2 inches. That'll be fine. Stick them in, and then we'll wait and see how long it takes. I have not grown Kola nuts before, so I can't tell you much on propagation or anything else. But with a seed like this, it's nice and alive. They actually started off kind of tan, and they've greened up over time sitting on the counter. They remind me of avocado pits, and I'm just going to plant them like avocado pits. Stick them in the soil, and we will wait and see what happens. Let me show you some of my other seeds that have turned into plants. Here I have a bunch of mangoes right there that I started. If you saw my video, they're the ones from the video. These 2 right there that you can see. This is a canistel that somehow the seed fell into my luggage when I was traveling, and I planted it. Came out very nicely. This is a star apple. I've got this plant here that's tall and skinny, and I have no idea what it is. I thought they were limeberry seeds that I planted, but they're something else entirely. I have no idea. I've got multiples of them here. This one's a little crinkled up because it's got a little white fly infestation, but look at that. I have no idea what that thing is. It's starting to make little spines on it. Who knows? I know it's edible of something. Giant grenadilla, that's a giant passion fruit. I've really gotta go and plant those into individual pots, but I've been a little busy. There's some more of those. There's some kumquats. There's a grenadilla that got planted on its own. And you can see it just keeps going. I've got all kinds of stuff here. Here are the pomegranates that I did in the pomegranate video, and I've potted some of those out already. You can see the little pomegranates in their pots, but not all of them yet. I've got a lot of potting up to do, but I've been really busy, so haven't gotten to it. That's West Indian locust right there with the cool kind of cloven leaves. I think I'll get the kids to water this stuff this morning because I have to get out and get some construction done. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you next time, and until then, may your thumbs always be green.